Maintenance teams face the same problems everywhere. Technicians driving for hours instead of fixing equipment. Skills mismatched to tasks. Critical maintenance delayed while low-priority work gets done. Emergency repairs draining your budget. And preventive maintenance falling further behind every single day. Our AI platform fixes all of it automatically. Predictive analytics forecast equipment failures before they happen. Smart assignment matches the right skills to every task. Route optimization eliminates wasted travel. Priority-based scheduling protects critical assets. Real-time adaptation handles emergencies without disrupting planned work. Result: 30% more productive technicians, 50% fewer emergency breakdowns, 25% faster repairs, and maintenance operations that actually work. Enterprise-grade optimization for real-world maintenance challenges. Reach out to us for more information.